guys, welcome back to another video by me, Sandy, and welcome back to my channel, which is Sandy on the Rise. Please follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Alright. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair, basically my length. It'll be my very first time since I've gone natural in March that I stretch my hair out. So I hope you guys like it. I hope y'all enjoy the video. I didn't make an intro for the video, so this is why I'm making this intro so late. And also it's already 2021, which I'm already due for another length check. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and leave me a comment down below what you guys think. And this is my very first time on YouTube. I'm trying to do this YouTube thing, so leave me some feedbacks. Feedbacks are always good, so enjoy.
Présence me manque, tes SMS nous disputent me manquent. J'ai trop de sentiments, mon bébé t'es mon médicament. C'est pas des paroles en l'air, t'es toujours au fond d'écran de mon cellulaire. Tu sais ce que t'attends de moi, tu sais ce que j'attends de toi. Les actes pour le prouver, trop facile de dire je t'aime, mais moi je vais te le montrer. Maloca, Maloca.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all can see right here, I have 4 braids starting off. That's because I had my hair blow dried the previous night, and I'm about to take the braids down and see what my hair looks like. So I couldn't show this off last night because I wasn't the one that did the blow drying. I allow my cousin to do it for me. Right now, as you can tell, I have an oil concoction. A concoction, okay? On my hair right here, it has a lot of things in there that are good for hair and stuff like that. If you would like to know more detail on what's in this, what I'm rambling about and stuff like that, you can comment down below, and I will most definitely let you know what this concussion is made out of. So I give it a little swirl. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the ends of my hair so I can take the hair down so it won't be as freezy. Okay. As you can see right here, I stopped just to admire the curls. I mean the wave that was going on with my hair. So after taking down my braids, I realized how pretty my hair was with this little crinkle thing going on, the braid out look and stuff. And I liked it, and I wanted to wear it like that, so I had to shape it, right? Only to realize that there's no hold. So I really couldn't do anything with it, even though it looks so pretty now. But I couldn't manipulate it because as soon as I touch it, it just went straight. Okay, so there was no hold on to it or anything like that. So all that manipulation I'm doing now is for nothing. So I went ahead and just comb it out and the initial process was a blowout, right? So we wanted a blowout look. So I went ahead and just combed those crinkles out. Although they were so very pretty, but there was no hold to them. They wasn't gonna last. No, it just wasn't gonna happen. So I just comb it out and basically try to shape it to my liking, so that way. So right now I decided to put on some leave-in because I did not put anything on my hair the night before, just some heat protecting. So I have my L'Oreal protein protection /5 whatever majigger. I'll put the description. Okay, I'll put it in the description. And I also went in with my leave-in Mega Grow mango leave-in conditioner. That conditioner, I mean, I love it and hate it at the same time, because sometimes I don't know, it doesn't work, but there are days, I mean, it does wonders for me. I don't know, it's a hit or miss with that one. So when my hair is pretty dry, it so my audio was cut off there, but like I was saying, when I put it on my hair, when my hair is dry, it feels great on my hair. But when my hair is wet and I put it in there, like after a wash, if it's damp, it feels like it's not doing anything for my hair. So therefore, for the first time, you guys, I was able to pull a ponytail in my hair. Like that was so awesome, because I mean, my hair is growing. It's growing and I'm loving every inches. I'm just happy that it's growing. Since my hair was stretched, I took the liberty to go ahead and try to do a length check. And your girl was happy about the length she was seeing, because the one thing I was scared about was my hair not growing. I mean, I know my hair is growing, but not showing that it's growing. That was one of the things that I was scared for. But yeah, I had some decent length, considering the fact that I had a trim. But yeah, I had some pretty decent length on my hair. And also my hair was stretched at the time too, and I took the liberty of doing that, so that way when the next time I get my hair blow out, I can also compare my length with this video. Okay, so enough said. As you can see, I just keep on combing my hair, and I was excited. I was all over the place. I mean, can you blame her? You can't blame me. Oh. So this is my final look, and I loved it. Can you see it? Can you see it? I was posing and everything, you guys. I was doing the most. Oh my goodness. I was loving the way my hair was looking, feeling. I loved everything about it. I should have went natural even sooner. I don't know. I guess I was afraid of what I would have to do with my hair, especially at the time I didn't really know much about hair, so I took the liberty of learning about hair during my relaxer days. And now I'm like, I'm not going back. I'm not going back. I am not going back, okay? And I'm loving it. I'm loving my hair. I'm loving the change, and I'm loving every bit of the natural journey, and I'm embracing my hair. I embrace it every inch, okay? And now I'm just posing for you guys. Don't mind me. I am doing the most. Oh Lord. So this is the back of my hair after combing it out and showing you guys. This is the final result. Please comment down below, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye.